Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and this is a continuation of the video that I did where I asked that you help me to design my leather earrings. So this is what I came up with, this purple, pink, and silver pair. And thanks to everybody who gave me some input. All right now, so you see I'm using my templates to cut my leaves, and I'm going to cut them. Then I'm going to cut the little fringes, and you'll see what I do from there. This is a work in progress. These templates are so handy, I'm going to offer them with some leather. So if you stay to the end, you will see what I'm offering, a leather packet with these templates. And it's going to be free shipping for the next 24 hours. On the purple, I used the 4-inch leaf. On this pink, I'm using a 3.5-inch leaf. I'm using my die cut machine to cut my 2-inch because the one I cut was not, it was only 1 inch, but I think 2 inches is going to look better. So I use my die cutter that I still have. This is a big kick. There's a big kick and another one that, came out years and years ago. So here I'm cutting my fringes. I'm going to do the same thing on each side. It's just cut them up toward the middle and just see how it looks. To cut this leather, you need a good pair of leather shears. This was the first piece of silver that I used, but I decided to use a lighter color of silver. Then I tried these cuts. I didn't like these cuts. I ended up just using the leaf without cutting it in that light colored silver. You know how we do when we're designing. I kept looking at it and saying, it needs something else. What else can I do? So I kept playing around until I found something that I wanted to do. I said, I'm going to use this silver nail polish just around the ends of the purple and see what I think. And I loved it. And I'm just putting it just along the edge, along that cut side, so I don't have too much of it on there, just a hint of it. Okay, that looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and put them together. I'm using ribbon clamps on these because of the thickness of the leather. I'm able to slide the leather in here. Make sure that you get all your pieces into the clamp. These clamps come in different sizes. I'm not sure. I'm going to put some in my Amazon store so that you'll be able to find them. Once the clamp is on, you squeeze it tight. And also notice that I cut off the tip ends of my material so that the clamp will have more material to attach to. I thought I was finished, but I still wasn't quite satisfied. I decided to try putting the silver along the pink leaf as well. Okay, I did that, and I liked it, but I still am not through. I had these little beads, so I said, well, let me try this, and but now I love them. I love them. Now let me know what you think. Be honest, you won't hurt my feelings. Did I do too much? Did I go too far? What do you think? I'm trying to just get out of my box. I'm offering this packet of 3 pieces of leather and the templates. They're in my shop. Check out the link in the description and check it out. Use code FREESHIP for this weekend. All right, good people, you know the drill. Please like, share, let me know what you think. Subscribe. Don't forget our Tuesday live subscriber chat. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.